Yo, what is poppin'? What's goody? What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl Ari coming right back at you with another video, and today it's all about these faux locks. I'm about to show you like several different ways on how you can accomplish this very easily or not easily. I mean, it's your choice, but I'm gonna teach you how to save some money. Okay, today we're gonna show you how to save some money and some time, because time is money. Therefore, I'm saving you money and money. Either way, we saving money. Okay, so make sure you keep on watching, but first make sure you go in the description box right at the top. Just take 5 seconds and do this. Okay, go follow me on Instagram and then go follow me on Facebook. If we're really friends, you will do it, and if we're not friends, you'll still do it, because you're just cool. Like we're just family like that. We just roll like that, you know. It was like friendship at first sight. Am I right? Thumbs up if I'm right. Yeah, so let's just get into this video, but first make sure you like, comment down below, tell me what you think, share and subscribe, and yeah, let's just roll right into it. Let's just roll right into it. Okay guys, so the first tip I'm going to give you is concerning the hair. Listen, I know we all want to look as flat as Making Good in her beautiful locks, but this girl be using human hair. So in the meantime, check out these alternatives I came up with. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is wash your hair. Don't be gross. Next, you're gonna really wanna take your time to part the most perfect boxes for your faux locks. Nah, forget it. Just get your mom to do it. Mom! And bing, bang, boom, just like that, I got you to save some time. And if I got you to save some time, it means I got you to save some money. And if I got you to save some money, you owe me one. But anyway, after you've gotten your mom or your sister, your best friend, or your goldfish, or whoever is there to actually part it for you, this is how it should look. Or you could choose to do with triangle boxes, or circles, or those puzzle boxes that have been trending on Instagram. But anyway, you know what I mean. You're gonna end up with boxes. So today I'm gonna be showing you either 5, 6, or 7 ways to do faux locks. I can't remember, but we're gonna see as we go along. So the first one I'm going to show you is the longest, most traditional way to do it, the way that I do not do it, but I'm going to show you anyway, just to give you an idea. So you're first going to start off by braiding your own hair into the curly extension. So you're going to just do a normal box braid, and then after that you're going to take your Kanekalon hair, or whatever hair you're going to use. In this case we're using Kanekalon because again it's the cheapest. You're going to just wrap it all the way down very tightly. Make sure there's no gaps. Trust me, I did make mistakes. Like some of mine started bulking up, but it's okay because like it's locks. It doesn't have to be perfect in my opinion. I'd rather it not look shiny and sleek. I'd rather it be a little bit rough around the edges. So yeah, just make sure you wrap that all the way down, and then you're going to take a lighter, or in my case I have to use a candle because I cannot use lighters without like basically breaking my finger. You're just going to burn the ends. Just make sure that it stays intact, and that's pretty much it. So this one took me about 6 minutes to do one. I know it sounds ridiculous, but it's true. That's how long it took me to do one. Alright, so now we're at method number 2. So we're going to be using the crochet hook for this method, and this is just going to make life a whole lot easier. For those of you guys who just don't have grip, this is for you. So you're going to be using the crochet hook to be getting the hair underneath the box, underneath the elastic, and then you're just going to take some Eco Styler gel and twist it all the way down. You can braid it if you want, but like to me there's no point in braiding it because braiding takes longer, while you could just twist. And then you're going to go ahead and take the same Kanekalon here and do the same crochet method and wrap it all the way down. I am going to say, you're going to notice with my boxes and the pieces of hair I take, I'm taking very thin pieces, which you don't have to do. I took thin pieces because I didn't want bulky locks, simply because they're too heavy and I didn't want to feel the strain on my head, and I didn't want to pull my hair out, so I just use really thin locks. But if you want thicker locks, go ahead and do that. And while you're wrapping down, remember to borrow from the other side when you run out of Kanekalon hair, and just continue the wrapping, and then you're going to burn it as usual. And this one probably only took me about 3 minutes as compared to the braiding. Alright guys, so for this third method I'm super excited to show you. It's because this happens to be one of my favorite methods, and I like to call it the one hair method because literally we're using one hair and we're just saving a bunch of money this way. So you're going to be using the normal crochet, and then you're going to take some gel and just apply it to the hair, and also take a bulkier piece because it has to be thick enough to be the lock. Now don't be like me and not borrow from one side to make the lock thicker. You're going to see coming down to the end it gets a little bit thin. Make sure to borrow from one side so it doesn't get super thin like how mine is there, or you can leave it. Like to me it really didn't matter, like you can really tell. And then at the tips you are actually going to have to knot it because this hair, it's so beautiful. It's literally like human hair. Remember, you could get it from ebonyline.com. Because it's like human hair, it doesn't take well to fire, so you need to knot it or you need to use glue. And just look how great like I got my roots. For some reason with this method I just grip my roots the best. Okay, so method number 4 is basically an extension of method number 3 because we're going to be doing the same thing, except this time, girl, we're going to be saving more money because we're only going to be using Kanekalon hair. So I just showed you here. It's totally optional, but you could actually twist your natural hair if you wanted to lock in moisture, or you could just leave it like how we did it in method number 3. But yeah, so we're just going to wrap as usual, and I think this is absolutely perfect for faux locks where you don't need the curliness at the end because then you can just cut off the excess hair. But if you still are going for the goddess look with the curly hair, don't worry, I got you. You can still just take this excess hair that you see at the end and you could either twist it as I did here, or you could put it in a flexi rod, dip it in hot water, and then take it out, and then you're gonna notice the hair is curly, and just like that, girl, you got yourself some goddess locks for a cheaper price. Another thing you could do is take a small piece of the curly hair and then just crochet it into the top of the lock, and just like that you got yourself like a bohemian look. This is one method that I saw someone else on YouTube using. I can't remember her name, but I thought it was very smart. So method number 5 is extremely similar to method number 2, except this time we're not twisting our natural hair with the extensions. And although you see me twisting my natural hair again, it is totally optional. You don't have to do that. You can leave your hair out and still gonna be locked. You're gonna go ahead with your Kanekalon hair, wrap it, burn the ends, and then in this case I wanted it to stay short, so I just cut off the excess Kanekalon hair and then reburned it to make sure that it was sealed. And that's it. Extremely simple. And it definitely takes less time than method number 2. So now on to the 6th and final method. I kind of call this like the holy grail method because you really don't need any braids, twists, crochet hook, or even elastics. Like you don't need anything except the hair that you'll be using. So all we're going to be doing for this method is you're going to take your extensions and have both sides as usual. You're going to take one piece of the Kanekalon hair and you're going to wrap it around all the rest of hair in your other hand, or you could split it in half and do one piece of Kanekalon along with one curly, and take those 2 pieces and wrap it around your natural hair along with the other extensions. I hope that makes sense, but it's really easy even if it does sound complicated. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You're just gonna wrap till the end as usual and burn the ends and you are done, honey. So just ignore this hair that you see sticking out in the front. I left that out to just fake some baby hairs. And then go ahead and take some mousse. This mousse is by far my favorite mousse. I don't use any other one. I'll leave it in the description box below. And it just really helped with all the frizz and just made it just look good and put together. And of course you already know I use wrap strips, like y'all already know. And just to decorate it, I use some decorative string. And I also put some gold cuffs. So this part is very self-explanatory. So just sit back and watch and stay tuned to see the various hairstyles you can do with these beautiful locks. my beauties, that is it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Let me know down below which technique was your favorite and which one you would like to use, and if you'd be willing to try this style. I really like this. I like the color, and next time, I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna be as bold as to go all blonde. I'm doing all blonde the next time, maybe ombre brown and blonde. I'm just going all color. I'm about to do it, okay, for this summer coming up. So let me know if there are any questions that you have. I will be doing this again because I want to do all blonde. So if there's anything that you did not see in this video that you wanted to see, if there's anything you did not understand, make sure you put it in the comment section down below. That way I would know what to put into my next video when I do this again. I'll actually feature you in the video, feature your question in the video if you would like. Let me know, just let me know what wasn't clear, what was clear, what you like, what you didn't like, blah 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 blah. You know how it is. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. And I don't know if I'm forgetting anything, but if I am, I will have it in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.